Another day, another Victorinox SAK. Anyway, this one is the Recruit in red. Oh. This is the instructions that you get with all of them. This one is one of the smaller ones. So, what does the Recruit have to offer? It has a large blade, and it also has a small blade. It has the large flathead screwdriver, cap remover and wire stripper. The can opener, small flathead. There's a toothpick and a tweezers. Its compact size makes it very handy to have in a pocket or even on a keyring. You won't really notice it that much. It's comfortable in your hand, and the usual high quality Victorinox manufacturing. So that's the Victorinox Recruit. Don't leave home without it.